Hello Sudoku friends, welcome with the final puzzle, a binary Sudoku. So let's get started. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here and one, then one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here and O, then O. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's, ones comes an O. Double O, here and one, then one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in one. Double one, here and O, then O. Between two O's comes in one. Then I need to look two identical rows or columns. This row is almost the same with this row. We have here O, here a blank, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1. So I cannot place an O here, otherwise this will be a 1, O, and here 1, 1. So we have identical rows. So this must be an 1 and this must be an O. Double O, here and 1, and then 1. Double 1, here and O, and then O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then I need to look for identical one. Oh, here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. All right, between two O's comes in 1, 3. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Then I need to, yes, here we have a column and here a column. Can you see that? Over here and here. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, O, O. I cannot place 1, 1, and then it must be an O here, O, O. So we need to switch the last two digits. So this must be an O and this should be an 1. between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here an O, there an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. People, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file if you want to solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Don't forget to ring that bell if you subscribe, so you will automatically notify by YouTube when there are new Sudokus are uploaded. Thank you for now. Rest me to say have a great day and Easter, because tomorrow is the Easter, and I will see you tomorrow probably, because I have a lot of papers. This one is from 25th, so I'm behind, almost 2 weeks behind with the additional Sudokus. So a lot of to go, and see you next time. Bye bye.